Positano. Just the name conjures images of paradise. This village on the Amalfi Coast is a dream. Imagine vibrant houses stacked upon each other, clinging to the cliffs. They burst with colour, a kaleidoscope of pinks, yellows and oranges. The sun warms the terracotta roofs, bougainvillea flowers cascade down walls, adding splashes of fuchsia and purple. The air hums with the buzz of scooters and the chatter of locals. This is Positano. The beauty of Positano is breathtaking. The village seems to tumble down the hillside towards the azure waters of the Mediterranean. The scent of lemons hangs in the air, a sweet and tangy aroma that embodies the Amalfi Coast. From the top at the church of Santa Maria Assunta, the view is mesmerizing. The colorful houses cascade down to the sea, creating a sight that is both chaotic and harmonious. The charm of Positano is undeniable. It's in the narrow cobblestone streets, barely wide enough for a Fiat. It's in the small shops selling ceramics and limoncello, their wares spilling out onto the street. It's in the sound of laughter as friends share a bottle of wine at a table overlooking the sea. Positano is alive, vibrant and utterly captivating. No trip to Positano is complete without experiencing the Scalinatella. This staircase, lined with shops and cafes, connects the upper and lower parts of the village. It's a workout, yes, but the views are worth every step. As you climb, take your time. Stop and admire the ceramics, the colorful dresses, the local artwork. Pause for a gelato, savoring the sweet, cool treat as you take in the scenery. The heart of Positano beats to the rhythm of the sea. The coastline, with its dramatic cliffs and hidden coves, is simply breathtaking. Days are best spent basking on the beach, the warm Italian sun kissing your skin. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore is a soothing melody. Spiaggia Grande is Positano's main beach. It's a vibrant scene, a mix of locals and tourists soaking up the sun. Colorful umbrellas dot the sand, providing shade from the midday heat. The water is crystal clear, inviting you in for a refreshing swim. Rent a beach chair, order a drink and simply relax. For a more secluded experience, head to Fornillo Beach. This small cove, just a short walk from Spiaggia Grande, offers a quieter escape. The beach is sheltered by cliffs, creating a sense of privacy. The water here is perfect for snorkeling, with colorful fish darting among the rocks. A boat trip along the Amalfi Coast is an absolute must. From the water, the beauty of Positano is even more striking. The colorful houses seem to cling precariously to the cliffs. The rugged coastline, dotted with grottos and hidden beaches, unfolds before your eyes. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Positano is a shopper's paradise. The village is famous for its handmade leather sandals, crafted with care by local artisans. Each pair is a work of art, made to fit your foot perfectly. Choose from classic styles or opt for something more elaborate, with colorful beads or intricate designs. The boutiques of Positano are a treasure trove of unique finds. Linen clothing in flowing silhouettes and vibrant colors is another Positano specialty. The light, airy fabric is perfect for the warm climate. Look for hand-painted ceramics, from colorful plates to intricate vases, to take home as a reminder of your trip. Don't miss the opportunity to visit a local artisan's workshop. Watch as skilled hands transform leather into sandals or shape clay into beautiful ceramics. It's a chance to witness traditional craftsmanship firsthand and appreciate the skill and artistry involved. The shopping experience in Positano is as much about the atmosphere as it is about the goods. Shopkeepers are friendly and welcoming, happy to chat and share their knowledge. The pace is leisurely, inviting you to browse, discover and find the perfect souvenir. The cuisine of Positano is a celebration of fresh local ingredients. Seafood features prominently, as befits a coastal town. The catch of the day, grilled to perfection and drizzled with local olive oil, is a simple yet exquisite dish. Spaghetti alle vongole, with its delicate flavor of clams and white wine, is another must-try. Lemons, the symbol of the Amalfi Coast, find their way into many dishes. Delizia al limone, a lemon sponge cake soaked in limoncello syrup, is a heavenly dessert. The cake is light and fluffy, the lemon flavor intense yet refreshing. It's the perfect way to end a meal. For a truly authentic experience, dine at a local trattoria. These family-run restaurants offer traditional dishes made with love and generations-old recipes. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, the service genuine. It's a chance to savor the true flavors of Positano. Don't forget to indulge in a scoop or maybe two of gelato. The creamy, flavorful Italian ice cream is the perfect treat on a warm day. Choose from classic flavors like pistachio and hazelnut, or opt for something more adventurous, like fig or ricotta and pear.